In this video, I'll show you how to add TikTok link to Instagram story. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Go to your TikTok. You're going to be able to see this arrow forward icon at the top. Click on it to copy your TikTok profile link. Then go to your Instagram. Okay, so this is going to come out once I've clicked on the create. So you're going to just come on here. This is our TikTok profile link. So I'm going to just come on here. Let me see. Connect with me, friends. So this is it. I'm going to just put love emoji. You can select the font you want to use, right? So just once you're done, just click on the next, or you can also increase this as well. Once you click on the next, it's going to be able to post, right? So this is basically I can be able to add your TikTok profile link to Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you all in the next video.